Hi, and welcome to another great video by Infotainment's Technical Support Department. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect up the wire to enable the backup camera grid lines on your 2013 to 18 Ram truck, and also the location of the body control module and where that's at on the vehicle. Before you tap into the BCM, make sure you disconnect your battery power. This is the location of the BCM under the dashboard. I already have the wire you're connecting hooked up so you can see where this wire is going to. And as the camera goes under there, you can see this is the parking brake. And you go directly behind the parking brake and straight up. And you'll see the BCM location straight up in there that this is connected to. To enable the grid lines, we need to connect this wire from your kit. On one end, you have a posi-tap connector. Remove the gray end. It just simply unscrews. Then locate on the BCM. You want to use this connector. It's a black connector and it has 45 pins. It'll be on the left-hand side as it sits up in the truck. And we want to unplug this, and then we're going to locate the LDS wire, which is an orange wire with a purple stripe. To get a little play in that wire, we can carefully take a screwdriver and get underneath that wiring. Then we're going to take the gray connector and put the wire into the slot. I'll remove my screwdriver. Then prior to connecting this end, go ahead and screw the red end of the posi-tap connector to the gray. Make sure you screw this all the way down. You don't have to torque it tight, just hand tighten it, but make sure you screw it all the way down. That way it penetrates into the wire. Then you take the other end and the lead from the camera that was run up to the cab of the truck, you're going to connect the other end to it, and you're done.